Hey guys, this is my Jacobson Chief 1200. I just got done working on it, put it to use. I put on the wheel weights, were already on there, they're 60-pound wheel weights. I had to put on these tire chains because when I got it, that one was the only one that was put on. It's got a solid 5-speed transmission, 4 forward and then 1 reverse. It goes pretty good. I was surprised on how fast it went. Basically what I had to do was I had to rebuild the carburetor on it, and that took a lot of work because the parts for it were obsolete, but we found a guy who had one. I bought it for $30, but right now I got a 24-inch wheel horse plow. What happened today was I was using it and I went up a steep driveway, and there's the shoe right there. I busted the same one off on the other side, so I have to have that re-welded. Right now it'll work if we get some more snow. You just press down that button and pull it up. It handles very nicely in the snow because it's got the wheel weights and the tire chains on there. What I did rig up for it, let me set this back down, was I hooked up a power outlet. It already had the space, it just didn't have one in it. And the PTO clutch is electric, but I'm not running anything off of it, but the guy totally fried the connectors, which is no big deal. I'll just redo it. But we tapped in that beacon light into it. So turn the key on, flip the switch, and there you go. Turn the switch off when you don't want to use it. Turn the key off so I don't cut my battery. Then what I did was I bought a headlight from Farm & Fleet. It was $11, 55-watt tractor light. I wired it using an old TV cable, well, a TV power cord, to jumper cable clips. And there you have it. The only reason why I can do this is because this unit has a starter generator on it. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically a starter right there that runs on to the flywheel. When you turn the key, it turns it, but while that's still moving, that generates electricity because it's moving, and it goes back to the battery. So I can run lights off of it. It originally did have headlights. It would be right there. Here's a look at the motor. It's a 12 horsepower Kohler side shaft engine. Just rebuilt the carb on it. Wiring looks a little messy, but it's all there and it all works. It's got a brand new air filter in it. I do have a 38-inch Jacobson snowblower attachment, but I have to hook up a winch in order to pull it. Overall, it's a good tractor, handles great in the snow. Check out my other videos. I do a lot of snowblower ones. I got a couple of airsoft guns on there, and I will be doing a video of this thing driving here in a little bit, but you can see what it does. I brought that big pile of snow up there. Did a great job on the driveway. We got probably about 6 inches here. Had no problem. Just wanted to keep going. Well, thanks for watching, and this has been my Jacobson Chief 1200.